All right, we're still out here. We're moving on. We got to get each slope. Today's still the 2nd of October. Claim is still PP 00211-64520 for Linda and Joe Cole. We're moving on to the back slope right here. Okay, here's the back slope. A little harder to see on the back, so I'll try to get close. All right, there's our wind damaged shingles, okay? We have 2 next to each other, all right? Marked off in between this. You can see the shingles above, okay? That's the condition of them. Back up so everybody can see. Shingles below. All right, still using the snake tool. We're gonna try to mitigate any kind of manipulation. I wanna try to use my hands as little as possible, and if possible, not even at all. Just pulling right.
It just tore it, didn't it?
Yeah. Just pulling right on through. Again. And get the nails out because it's just. Go for 4. And just all is pulling right through. There we go. A little bit of luck. So the problem is these nails that pull through are probably still going to be holding this shingle in. Let's see. Just one holding it in right there. Alright guys, there's the old wind damaged shingles. Again, putting the GAF back in there. Shift it pretty low. Bring a new GAF shingle. It's all right. Back in. Shingles. start to see there's a little bit of a shadow from the shingle above. You can start to see where we're starting to lose some granules here. I think we'll be able to see it a little bit better at the end. We'll get a little closer.
It's got crack in it for
Yep.
sure.
Let's get one more on that one. Let's move on to the next run. Good. That one's set. We're starting to see the same thing up there too. Hey! These people are super friendly here. They're the best. We're hammering
Repair video.
away.
Repair video.
Making repair videos. Let's get one more in there. Okay, boom. So we got it in there, right? Got our nails in. We're gonna do it again. All right, we're gonna use a control shingle above. Yeah, you can see that already before I've even done anything.
That shadows.
That shadow doesn't help a lot.
It's all creased. All at the top.
This one's starting to do it as well up here.
Oh, I can't on that side. Oh, this guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fractured too.
So look, we're gonna use a control shingle. You can kind of see well. We're gonna be gentle, okay? Like when another windstorm comes in, any kind of granules that are like stuck in there, they're gonna just blow right out, right? And this kind of simulates that. So we're starting to see it right here though. Yeah, I mean, you can see it a little bit better now.
Fracture.
And this is the other one that's fractured right here.
Fractured.
Yeah. You can see the granules just falling out. I mean, this one's deep right here. It's just so hard to see,
Yeah, with
unfortunately. Yeah.
Just a little, yeah, see the top crack?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
It's absolutely there. I mean, we're seeing it on everything that we're touching.